Hello and welcome. You're watching Markets Today. I'm Sakshi Batra, and on this edition, we discuss everything about the stock markets, how the day's trade has panned out, and where were the gains and losses seen, and what really happened to your investments in the stock markets today. Well, it was a good day yet again. 3 days consecutively in a row, we have seen the markets really ending up on a high note in the green. So, as we approach the financial year 2022 end, the markets have been celebrating as well. So, let's quickly first look at what the closing levels have been like, and then we can go on to understanding what the key highlights of today's trading session also have been. So, first up, let's quickly start off with the key benchmark indices. Of course, they started off on a positive note yet again, and we did see some throughout the trading session. We did see higher moves as well. In fact, the benchmark Sensex and the Nifty built on these initial gains after a gap up start. That was amid all the strength that was seen gaining across global markets as well. Of course, what were the supporting factors for the global markets? It was the crude oil that continued to decline, boosting market sentiments. Investors celebrated the signs of progression in the Ukraine Russia peace talks as well. That's aided the sentiments too. So towards the end, we did see the Sensex jumping as much as 721 odd points or over a percent to end at 58,665. The broader Nifty 50 benchmark as well, it rose up above 17,513, up 188 points or over 1% from its previous close as well. So gains in financials, autos, IT, they all pushed their headline indices higher, even though the losses in metal stocks definitely played some spoil sport. Broader markets in terms of mid and the small cap sectors also gained in trade today, with the Nifty Mid Cap 100 and the Nifty Small Cap 100 indices all rising by 1% odd in today's trading session. So that's how the broader markets also fared in today's trading session. Now, coming to some of the other gains that we actually, what the experts are really analyzing in terms of the way the markets have ended today. So, we did speak to Manisha of Nifty Triggers. He believes that the Nifty again saw a green candle that closed at the high of the day. This is the pattern that is in place since last 3 days. The buyers are dominating the landscape as markets continue to churn higher on a slow and a steady rate as well. Also, he believes that the larger degree trend is sideways, with resistance zones now placed at 18,100 and above as well. The MACD is in a buy mode. The RSI reading is above 60. This is the higher RSI reading in Jan 14 as well. So now let's talk about the major support and resistance levels for all the traders who want to trade on the Nifty. Nifty has a major support, experts believe, at 17,040 to 17,020, and as long as this support gets held on, the market will be in an uptrend. That's what Manisha really believes. Also, he believes that there is a clear barrier at 17,450 and 17,470 when you talk about the markets, as well as the resistance zone too. Now, when the markets move up higher than this level, of course the resistance levels will move on further at 17,700 levels as well. Manisha believes that he continues to be bullish as the structure of the Nifty really supports higher levels in the days to come as well. So that's as far as the stock market update is concerned in today's trading session. We'll keep an eye out on how the last trading session of financial year 2022 will pan out. It is also going to be the series expiry since it's falling on a Thursday, and I'll keep you posted with everything that has panned out in this entire financial year in terms of stock market highlights too. So do stay tuned for market updates in tomorrow's trading session as well. Thanks a lot for tuning in, and hang on to business today, for a lot more is coming up right up next. Thanks a lot for tuning in.